Hello guys, recently I have purchased Lenovo A6000. I brought it from Flipkart and one day before I got it, and I have been using it for last 24 hours. So as you can see it on the box, it contains a very sleek and smart design box. Okay, and it comes into a very good handy design. As you all can see the home screen of the mobile, and it has several apps pre-installed in it. As you all can see the settings of mobile, so basically it contains the device information, that is the model number, android version, all these things. It contains the KitKat and RAM 1 GB and ROM 8 GB with guaranteed upgrade of Lollipop 5.0. So now as you can see the sleek and smart design of the phone, it has a very good HD screen, and also it does not have any hanging issues and lagging issues till now from past 24 hours. And I have been playing very huge games like FIFA, and it does not lag. So right now I am going on mobile network settings, and as you all can see that it has basically a network mode of four types, in which we can see LTE, WCDMA, GSM. We can go for 4G, 3G or 2G, and we can go for a combination of 4G, 3G and 2G, in which the network will not be disabled. The network will always be there if 4G is working or 3G is working or 2G is working. So it is a new app of Lenovo Dolby is installed, where we can manage sound of music, games and movies. So basically this is a very good feature in an affordable price like 6999. It is a very budget phone. Okay, so now I'll be talking about a very smart feature of Lenovo A6000. Basically it has a new security panel, in which we can see that it has internal security through which any malware can be detected, and also RAM can be cleaned from time to time if you have any problem, or to boost up the speed, it cleans the RAM. As I've told you earlier also, it has basically some pre-installed applications and also pre-installed games. And as Lenovo has promised to upgrade its version from KitKat to Lollipop in the second half of this year, so you can go from Google launcher to get a feel of Lollipop. And now as you can see the internet speed of the phone, it basically provides a new button through which we can see and access the internet speed. It can access up to around 50 Mbps speed, and I have personally seen 22 Mbps of speed. Now let's talk about the inbox accessories of the phone. Basically the phone contain all the booklets, that is the user manual of the phone, and again all the warranty cards and all are in there, so as to smartly and efficiently use of this smartphone. And also as you can see this data cable, which is very thick, and its quality is very good, and also the earphones length is pretty well compared to other smartphones, and its audio quality is okay, but it's good in a budget phone. And its charger is ordinary charger, as all the smartphones contain. And now I'll open this back panel. This back panel is bit soft to open, and as you can see it has a 2300 mAh of battery, so battery is pretty good, and backup is also good. And also it has two SIM slots, micro SIM slots, and one memory card slot, and flashlight also it has 8 megapixel of camera, and as you can see the flashlight of the mobile. and it has several shortcut functions which is in the quick settings menu, like screen off and screenshot functions in the quick setting menu. So basically, if you want to buy a smartphone in budget and you have around 7,000 in your hand, I think you should go for Lenovo A6000. It has ultimate experience and very good internal memory and ROM and RAM, and Flipkart has delivered it in 1.5 day. So guys, please like and subscribe our channel, and for more updates or any special update, please comment below. Thank you.